Good morning. It is currently 5 a.m. and we are getting ready to go from Orlando to Fort Myers. I am getting ready. I look kind of crazy right now, but I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we are going to head out. Okay, all ready, dressing comfortable for the ride, and have everything kind of just like packed up into their bags. So we're gonna go. I just mobile ordered at Starbucks, so we're gonna stop there first and then we're gonna make our way. Let's go. Give me the pieces. We have been driving, took a bathroom break. It is now 7:50. We're gonna be there in an hour and a half. Very foggy, but we're making our way there. We made it to Fort Myers. We are currently in traffic waiting to like turn, but we're only 4 minutes away from where we are going. And make sure to check out the vlog that's coming out about touring apartments, because that is what we are doing right now. I will give you guys like a brief little look at it, but make sure you go watch that video because it's gonna go full tour and everything. This is what I'm wearing, little oversized tee and some shorts and my blazers. I'm gonna put on my jewelry though. So we're currently checking out like the shopping centers around the first apartment we're touring. We're just gonna drive around a little bit and then our tour is at 10. So we have 30 minutes to kind of get ready for that. So we just saw the second apartment. You'll have to watch the vlog to see it, but it looks really, really nice. And now we are stopping at Target because we need sunblock and some towels. And then, oh, it's a super Target, you guys. Love. Anyway. We are going to get those things and then I think we're gonna go do some shopping around this shopping center. It has literally like everything, including the huge Bass Pro Shop and like Ron John. So we're gonna walk around here until we have our next tour. I've been waiting for the longest. I've been waiting for the moment all night. Ron John now, got a few goodies. I love this reusable bag that I got. We're gonna walk around a little bit and then we have to tour our third of the day. We are at the Boathouse and we got Peel and Eat Old Bay shrimp. And I got a Miami Vice. You got a rum runner. And our food is on the way, but so good. Shrimp tacos, mahi mahi. So good. We made it to our Airbnb. Here she is. Very cute. Okay, you guys, we are at our Airbnb in Bonita Springs, which is really close to Fort Myers. We're right at the beach, pretty much. And I'm gonna give you a tiny tour. We're literally staying here for one night, so we booked something super small and like convenient location. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour. We are so tired. I just shot some content really quick by the dock that they have. So you'll see those on the gram. Go follow me, of course. But let me give you the quick tour. Okay, so it kind of starts out here. There's like different cabins. You can see the sunset is really pretty right now. Oh my goodness. But anyway, there's like a table and chairs here, and then this one is like the sand dollar. So you come in and immediately you're in the living room. Looks like this. And then there's a table and chairs, a TV, and then there's the smallest little kitchenette here. Cute. And then you go in here and it brings you into like the master bedroom, like the full sized bed and everything. And then here is the little washer dryer, some drawers, and then last but not least, a little bathroom. So it's definitely small, but it's something super simple for me and Ryan to just stay in overnight. I personally would stay here for a couple nights. I wouldn't mind the small and quaint size because who cares? You're literally like sleeping here and waking up here. It's really, really cutely located. So I'll show you guys in the morning a little bit more because right now we just literally just want to shower, get like cozy, and I want to plan out my content for tomorrow because we're gonna go to sunrise and then we have a tour at 9 a.m. and we have to be checked out of here at 10. So we're gonna be checking out of here like at 8 a.m. because we have our tour and we have to drive out towards like up north pretty much a little bit. So we are gonna unwind for the night and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so before we unwind, we just actually went to Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna give you a really quick haul of that, and then I'm going to get comfortable and shower, so let's get into it. So from Trader Joe's, just for like tonight and in the morning, I got some fresh pineapple, Ryan got fresh squeezed lemonade, and I got the limeade. And then Ryan also got mochi. One other thing we got from Trader Joe's are just these chips, they're really good, and we brought some other snacks along. Good morning from Bonita Springs. We are at our Airbnb right now, but we are about to head over to the beach to shoot some sunrise photos. Sunrise is at 6:50, so we have about 10 minutes until that starts. So it's like perfect timing because we only have like a 5-minute drive to where we are going to be parking and everything. So right now I have a little sweater on and some like linen pants, and then I have a bathing suit underneath to shoot, and then I have an entire bag here ready to go. We're gonna head to the beach. So we drove to the beach and it was such a beautiful sight, but we couldn't get on the beach, we couldn't park anywhere because of it recovering from the hurricane, but also there was red tide. So we must have just chose a really bad time to go stay at the beach. But we ended up getting some really great content. I'll pop it on the screen, but you're about to hear me talk about how upset I was, but it's okay. It all turned out fine and we still had a great time. Okay, so our plan backfired. All of the beach is closed. We can't get on any part of it because of the hurricane. We both thought that it was cleaned up by now, and it does look cleaned up, but apparently you still can't go on. It's like technically trespassing. So I guess we're just gonna go back to the Airbnb and try to shoot a few looks there. But I'm really upset because we just woke up super early for like no reason. We just watched the sunrise from like the car. Before I leave, my kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a So we are at Lakes Park. We're pedaling this bike right now, and it's very hot, but it's so pretty here. There's like a bunch of palm trees. It's beautiful. What do you think? All right. We are back at Windsor Hills, about to go swimming and go in the hot tub.